Sir, yung second question lang po, how
Yes.
crucial is barangay and SK elections when it comes to governance and midterm elections?
I cannot overstate the importance of the results of the barangay elections. It's very simple. I mean, the political dynamic is very simple. If, halimbawa, if you're running for mayor and the majority of the barangay officials are on your side, are helping you, ay talagang malaking bagay yun. It will make it much easier to be elected is at the local level. But this applies all the way up to the national level, up to hanggang sa mga for the midterm elections, for example. What happens here in the barangay elections, the results of the barangay elections today are going to have an effect on the results on the midterm elections and then subsequently in the national elections. So it is that important. Alam naman natin ang sistema that I always say that as a national politician, I always say that the the of all the elected officials, it's the barangay officials who can actually tell you, I will deliver this many votes. Pag sinabi ng mga barangay na magde-deliver ako sa iyo ng 350 votes dito sa aking barangay, asahan mo 350 yun, totoo yun. Kaya napakahalaga ng resulta nito para sa aming mga politiko, napakahalaga ang resulta ng barangay election. And that's why ang sa aming assessment, kuminsan nagiging napakainit ang barangay election dahil talagang crucial yan at it is held at a very intimate personal level. And that's why sometimes nagkakainitan ng husto, kaya yun ang ating gustong iwasan.
Salamat po, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr.
Salamat.
President. Thank you.
Bumoto na kayo.
Intimate.